Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to write down the program of JavaScript to demonstrate the use of looping statements. So there are three number of loops in JavaScript. The first one is a for loop, second one is a while loop, and third one is a do while loop. So here in today's lecture I am going to write down the program to print the Fibonacci series using for loop. First, let me explain what is meant by Fibonacci series. So Fibonacci series is a series where the third number is addition of its previous two numbers. The first two numbers are already given. The first one is a 0 and the second one is 1. Then we have to add both the numbers and find out the third number. And again we have to add the last two numbers and then find the next number. So in this way we have to find this up to n number of terms. So today we are going to learn about what is meant by Fibonacci series and print the Fibonacci series up to n number of terms using for loop. So first I am going to write down the basic structure of HTML document as always. So start from the HTML tag, then the second is a head tag, the third one is a title tag. Write down the title, for example Fibonacci series, and then close the title tag. Then close the head tag, then opening body tag, then closing body tag, and then closing HTML tag. So this is a basic structure or basic tags of every HTML document. Now first I am going to save the program. So go to file, save as, and then going to save the program on desktop. Name the file as, for example, fibo.html. Okay, so here we have to write down the code of JavaScript to demonstrate the use of looping statement. Means we have to write down the code of JavaScript to print the Fibonacci series up to n number of terms. Let's consider the value of n as 10. Suppose I want to print the Fibonacci series up to 10 number of terms. So to write down the JavaScript code, we can use the script tag or write down the script tag, opening script and closing script tag inside the head tag or inside body tag. So here I am going to write down the script tag inside head tag. Now let's start the program to write down the code for Fibonacci series. So first we have to declare the variable. So the first variable is a, for example, and the second variable is b. The value of a and b are constant. These are the first two numbers. Then we have to add both the numbers. Let's consider we have to store the value of third number inside c. Then for n number of terms we have to assign the value of n. This is not necessary. You can also directly assign the value inside the for loop. But for example, consider the n number of terms, the value of n as 10 semicolon. Now assign the value of a and b. So write down a equal to 0 and b equal to 1. So both these values are constant. From these two values we have to calculate the third number. First I am going to write down some statement, that is document.write in bracket Fibonacci series is, then double quotation complete, end with semicolon. The value of a and b are constant, so I am going to print the values. So write down document.write in bracket a and then document.write in bracket b. So here we are going to print the value of a and b. Now save the program. Let's check the output first. Okay, so here we print the statement, that is Fibonacci series is, then we print the value of a and then we print the value of b. Now if we want to display each value in the next line, so we are going to write down the br tag. So for this write down document.write in bracket double quotation br. Okay, so do the same here also. Okay, save the program and refresh the page. Okay, so the first two values are printed on the output screen. So this is a value of A and this is a value of B. Now we have to find out the third number, that is a value of C. So we have to find the value of C up to n number of terms. So for this we have to use the for loop. So write down for, then initialization. For initialization we have to include one variable, that is I. So let's start from I equal to 1. We have to declare the I here also. Okay, so I equal to 1, then the condition I less than equal to n, means we have to print the value up to n number of term, and here the value of n equal to 10, means up to 10 terms. You can write down here 10 directly instead of n. Then the increment or decrement, so we have to increment the value, so write down I plus plus, and then inside curly bracket we have to first find out the value of C. So value of C is the addition of previous two numbers, means the addition of A and B. So write down A plus B, C equal to A plus B. After finding the value, we have to print the value of C. So write down document dot write in bracket C. Again I am going to write down the BR tag here to break the line. Here we get the value of C. Now we have to find the value of C up to n number of terms. So we have to exchange the values. So here we are going to swap the values of A, B and C. So write down A equal to B and B equal to C. Okay, so here the value of B is assigned to variable A and the value of C is assigned to variable B. Again we get the values of A and B and then we find the value of C up to n number of terms. Okay, now save the program and I'm going to refresh the page. Okay, so this is the output of our program. Okay, let's understand this. The value of A is 0 and the value of B is 1. Now when we add both the numbers, we get the third value, that is a 1. Means 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Now we add these two numbers, that is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Then we add these numbers, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Then 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. 8 plus 5 equal to 13. 13 plus 8 equal to 21. 21 plus 13 equal to 34. 34 plus 21 equal to 55. And 55 plus 34 is equal to 89. So this is called as a Fibonacci series. The next number is addition of its previous two numbers. When we find the value of C, then we assign the value of C to variable B and value of B to variable A. In this way we again get the values of A and B and then we find the value of C. So this is a simple program of looping statement to find the Fibonacci series or to print the Fibonacci series up to n number of terms using for loop. I hope you understand today's tutorial very well. If you have any query, any doubt regarding this topic, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.